Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake that people often make can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Tahoe or Chevy Suburban, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2020. If you have one of those, and if you need to find where the purge valve, also known as purge control valve, fuses and relays are located, where you can find them, where you can guys buy cheap parts and tools, that way do not waste money and time. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stand till the end. So before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them, guys, completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, guys, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays as well, guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. We'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So guys, where you can expect to find the purge valve or purge control valve, fuses and relays, we will demonstrate on that generation Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban right here. Both of these models practically are built on the same platform, so it should apply to both. The main difference will be the Chevy Tahoe is a little bit shorter. Guys, there will be 5 different hidden fuse boxes all over that SUV, and most owners do not know how to find them. That's okay, that's why we made special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban fuse box location and diagram. What you guys need to do now, we need to go ahead, okay, and we need to open the hood on that Chevy Tahoe. When you open the hood, guys, you're going to face the engine. On the right side you have a fuse box under that cover right here. Go ahead, remove it, and you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So for the purge valve, purge control valve, which fuses and relays you need to check, there is very limited information about that, guys. Make sure you stand till the end. We'll explain how to test purge valve as well. But you need to check all your engine management fuses, because most likely it will be one of those. The first one that you need to check is fuse 74 right here. Okay, check that one right here. Then you need to check fuse number 87, 88, 89, 90, 91. All these fuses, relay 92, then fuse 100, 101 and 102. It's that double 15 amp fuse that's known as a micro 3-blade fuse. It's super hard to find or overpriced. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. Now another thing, guys, if you want to see how to test purge control valve, that way you don't have to buy one unless you have to. There is no need to waste your money. We'll have videos on our YouTube channels that will teach you how to test purge control valve in just a few minutes. So guys, I want to show you now something. Okay, check this thing out. You have all different kinds of fuses. Fuses, relays, circuit breakers, something that could be really hard to find, and if you're in the middle of nowhere, you don't have a replacement one, you may end up being stuck, guys, in the middle of nowhere, or they can be seriously overpriced. So what we do, we usually buy some spare ones, we put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.